Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to upload files to ChatGPT, be it a PDF file, a text file, or an Excel file. I'm going to show you guys how to upload it to ChatGPT. Okay guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll be the first to be notified when I upload new videos. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, the method which you are going to be using in this video is going to be a Chrome extension that is provided by Automate My Life. Okay, the first step we're going to be going over, we're going to be downloading our Chrome extension. To do that, I simply come here. I'm going to search for ChatGPT file uploader extension. It's a very awesome way of uploading files to ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to click on this first link here. After clicking on it, it's going to take me to this site. Okay, here I am now. Then I'm going to scroll over to this down here. Then I'm going to click this one here, this ChatGPT file uploader. After clicking on it, I'm going to add it to my Chrome. Download it to my Chrome. I want to add it now. Add extension. Okay. You can see here, it has been downloaded. The file extension has been downloaded. You can see it was provided by Automate My Life. So now I'm going to return back to my ChatGPT. This is the normal display which you normally get when you log into your ChatGPT account. Now you have all what you're going to do. You're just going to refresh the page. Okay. When you refresh the page now, wow, you can see here now, you cannot submit file to ChatGPT. How cool is that? Very easy. Just download the Chrome extension, refresh your ChatGPT page, and you have a surface like this. Then what I'm going to do now to submit my file, I just simply click this submit file here, and it's going to take me to where my document is. Okay, let me see. I want to read which file I'm going to read. Let me see. I want to read this PDF file. This popular inspirational book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Okay, I'm going to click on it now. I'm going to click something. Okay, you can see here now. Wow, you can see this Chrome extension is really powerful and really wonderful. All thanks to Automate My Life for providing the code. Okay, it's really powerful. You can see here now is reading all the file in chunk of 15,000 words. Okay, you can see here it's reading the file. Okay, you can see here now it's done reading the file. Okay, now within about about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to ask this ChatGPT a very simple question. I want to ask it, okay, you know this Richest Man in Babylon is the book is all about investing and making money, and that's okay. I'm going to ask it now like a question based on this book. It just this file I just submitted. I'm going to ask it what is the most important strategy of making money. Okay, one is book. Well, okay, number one is now. Wow, you can see here is giving me the most important strategy. Let me just say first. Let me just say highlight and okay on this now. You can see here It's giving me a summary, a very nice summary. Let's see here. Wow, this is really powerful. It's really powerful. Okay, so that's how you upload files to ChatGPT. You can also upload different files like your test file, your Excel file, and it's going to read it just like this. It's very easy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when I upload new videos. Guys, thanks for watching.